I doubt even a machine could outdo him on this. That was fast. Didn't even have time to rub one out. Not just working hard, but working with heart. No transport trick runs smoother or quicker than this one. No more messy, this tool said. Polysulfate standard in action. Guangxi farmer's clever way with tobacco. Takes hours by hand, just minutes with machines. When the job is hourly, heavy metal meets heavy duty, that's raw efficiency. It's like block building, but instead of toys, it's giant containers at the shipyard.
Elle pousse, allez vas-y, ça va venir. Oh voilà, ça y est.
Well, that's one way to start a rough day at work.
Bruh.
That's how a pro works. In a flash, the job's complete. This task definitely wasn't planned. You get an 810 for skill, but a 210 for efficiency. The one worker no boss hopes to hire. Seems like the teamwork vibe is missing here. Don't stress, just take it easy, man. Seems like I quit is trending at work today. Friendly reminder, always double-check the stability of your ramps before loading. And that's exactly why helmets are mandatory. Applying technology is great and all, but this is just too much. I guess the car wanted to try the lowrider look.
Everything is good to go. Hit it, you want it to garage.
Sometimes you get tired.
It worked, but we definitely don't recommend doing it this way.
There you go.
Your actions were caught on camera. Time for an explanation. You managed to miss a target the size of a dinner plate and hit the entire planet instead. Don't underestimate a compressed spring.
Eso.
He's got a guardian angel watching over him. That was too close. Out of business before their very first sale. It's caused by air leaking into the main body of the tire. Don't go anywhere near a tire that looks like that. When iron turns to rust, it loses its structural strength and expands, cracking the concrete from the inside out. This is exactly why we use a safety cage and a clip-on chuck. Never stand directly in front of a tire while inflating.
Now what?
I guess that steel coil wanted to go for a jog. Good thing the workers were faster.